Sexyy Red is getting dragged all over social media after her most recent comment about joining GloRilla in her relationship with Brandon Ingram. So, Sexyy Red allegedly commented and said, "Be a lesbian sister wives," and everybody on social media started dragging her because they're like, "Hey, that's disrespectful. That's basically you telling me that you want my man." One person commented and said, "B ever say some ish like that to me and we supposed to be friends? I'm going upside your head. Don't joke with me like that at all. Sexy would have to see me, huh?" Yeah, no, that's not it. That's disrespectful as F, and it's weird. It's called I can't find a relationship, so let me get in on yours. That's so rude. I definitely think you want my man after such a comment. Watch your friends like that around your man. She wants her man. Keep y'all friends away from y'all man and house. So a lot of people was dragging Sexyy Red, rightfully so, because you're basically telling someone, hey, your man looks good and I want him. But I do not know if this comment is real. I went to go look at GloRilla's page and I did not see Sexyy Red comment. And this page is also known for posting fake comments and stuff like that. So I don't know if it's a 100% true. And we'll see if Sexyy Red has something to say about this. But moving on to the next topic, Ice Spice is facing some backlash herself after her outfit that she decided to wear to the SpongeBob movie screening / premiere event. So you guys know that Ice Spice has a song on the new SpongeBob movie, Search for the SquarePants, and she decided to wear this sheer white lace dress to this movie premiere. Mind you, this is a family-friendly kid event or movie premiere, and she decided to wear something that's see-through.
Cute. You guys look so cute. Thank you all for coming. This is my first voiceover. Woo! Sorry, yeah, enjoy. I've never seen the film, so this will be my first time too. Hey girl, you're so cute. Hey y'all in the back. Sorry, I'm so shy and weird. Yeah, it's my first time. I hope you enjoy it. I was really nervous, but this is so exciting and I'm just so grateful to be a part of this. And I'm grateful that you guys came out to watch it. So yes. Okay, I'll see you after.
Ice Spice is talking about being shy and awkward, but she literally has on no clothes. You're not that shy. But anyways, some people commented and one person said a SpongeBob shirt and jeans would have been more appropriate. She showed up to a kid's movie premiere with no clothes on. If I was a parent, I would have snatched my baby out of there. Someone else then says, I get that she wants to be young and fun, but there's situations that call for appropriate dress attire. Come on, girl, not in front of the babies. And I did see that she took some pictures with children as well. Mind you, you can see right through her clothes. Now, I don't understand how her stylist thought this was a good outfit for her to wear to a kid's movie premiere. And I don't understand how Ice Spice even let this happen. Like, she knows that she's going to a kid movie premiere. Hey, wear something appropriate because children are going to be there watching the movie premiere because it is a kid movie. So I don't understand how anybody let this fly, let alone her. But like I said, I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below.
Is currently going viral because of the outfit she decided to wear to a early screening of the new SpongeBob movie. So last night there was an early screening for the new SpongeBob movie that is coming out very soon, and Ice Spice is actually a part of the movie, so she decided to show up to the early screening, and everyone just cannot stop talking about the outfit she decided to wear to that early screening. Now, I won't be showing the full pictures of the outfit she decided to wear because I don't want my video to potentially get taken down, but you could find pictures very, very easily. And a lot of people are just saying that the outfit that she decided to wear to the early screening of the SpongeBob movie was just not very appropriate at all. There was also a lot of younger people at the early screening of the new SpongeBob movie because, you know, that is the target audience for the new SpongeBob movie, you know, younger people. So a lot of people just feel like she should have worn something more professional than the outfit that she did decide to wear. I definitely can see where people are coming from. It is an interesting situation, and I'm really just curious to know your thoughts about all of this. Ice Spice is currently going viral because of the outfit she decided to wear to a...
Spice is under fire for wearing a very revealing dress to the Nickelodeon premiere of the SpongeBob movie that she does a voiceover in and has like this song in, and you could literally see through the dress. You could see certain things that maybe kids shouldn't see. And I guess this is part of her brand, but does this brand align with the premiere of this movie is what some people are thinking of, and they're giving her a really hard time about it. And I want to know what you guys think about this. Do you think that she pushed the edge with the fashion choice? Do you think this was even her call? Or do you think like some random stylist did this in poor taste? because a lot of the time you think it's like the artist that's picking these outfits, and sometimes it's actually like a stylist or like a team, maybe like some brand gave her the dress, like some designer, and it wasn't entirely her choice. And obviously she could have had like a decision or a voice in it, but she just might have like kind of passively went along with the decision, and now she's the one facing the blame. But did you guys see the dress? Are you guys aware of the situation? I want to know what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comment section.
The children, Ice Spice. What about the children? Okay, look what she wore to the premiere of the SpongeBob movie. Her team thought it was cute for her to wear bikini bottoms to the actual premiere of the SpongeBob movie, because it'll be like, oh, Ice Spice is wearing bikini bottoms to bikini bottoms. She wore bikini bottoms to bikini bottoms. No, this is a children's movie, okay? To a children's premiere where there were children present. So to her PR team and her stylist and anybody involved, come to the front of the room. You're fired, okay, for this. Yes, you're fired for this. I don't care if all publicity is good publicity, and I don't care if y'all just wanted to go viral one good time for this movie. Okay, I grew up on SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob, and I know this movie is going to do well. I'm actually proud that Ice Spice has a cute little cameo in the movie, and I love that she's on the soundtrack. She has a song called Big Guy. But girl, put some clothes on. There's children. Like, why is anything sacred for the kids anymore? I don't understand. Like, why are we trying to make these kids grow up and see stuff like this? It is not appropriate. All right, and I'm sure the people who was doing the red carpet for the SpongeBob movie had no idea she was going to come up here inappropriate like that. But we got to keep things for the children. This is a children's movie. The movie do come out, and it'll be just in time for the holidays. But no, girl, no. You knew not to wear nothing crazy. You wore this to the VMAs, okay? But you wore this to one of the biggest children movie of the year. You wore this, but to the VMAs, you wore that. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But we're not going to make sense of it, are we?
So Ice Spice was wearing something inappropriate to the SpongeBob movie premiere, where kids is at. You know, of course she's getting bashed online because a lot of people just like, that's inappropriate. Why did you do that? You know, and I agree. But hey, at the end of the day, it's Ice Spice. My only thing is, you're supposed to wear that when I'm around. Like, what are we doing here? If you're not around me, if we're not in bed together, I don't want you wearing nothing inappropriate to anywhere public. If I'm not around, if I'm not able to see it in 4K, if I'm not able to sniff it, if I'm not able to smack it, I don't want you wearing nothing inappropriate. Next time, put something better on. I don't know, dress up as Patrick next time, dress up as SpongeBob. I don't care. Next time, just do right, baby. Do right. With that being said, bikini bottom, let's go. So